Good afternoon, traders. It is Friday, February 12th, 2015, and the U.S. stock market is closed. Well, the Dow gained 313 points today. This is normally a pattern that I love. It's there's no pullbacks hardly. It's nice and smooth. It's not all big run up at the beginning of the day, etc., etc., etc. Despite that ideal Dow setup, we had a crappy day, and we had our positions that we had coming in got worse, and we ended up closing out negative $7,000. That's a hit, and I just don't quite understand it. We got in to, I think, 8 positions today, and the majority of them are negative. We got a couple good trades, but it's just that for a day that we see the Dow going up 313 points, in particular with this kind of pattern, it's closing on a high, people. Normally, I see a Dow closing on a high. That signals really good upside movement, but nothing happened that was particularly good for us today. I mean, we had some good, decent trades, but this is kind of disgusting in my opinion, and for that reason I am calling the Dow down for Monday. It looks to me like a fake rally and I don't have a lot of confidence in what's going on here. We our closed out, our open positions were negative $500. So it isn't that our closed out or open positions look that bad. They don't, but it's just that I can't understand how, with the Dow going up over 300 points, that we can't get some really some solid profits out of this. So for that reason, I'm calling the Dow down on Monday. I will show you some of the trades. I'll show you what the kind of problems that we had. This was TripAdvisor, and we had bought this yesterday. Big gap here. I mean, that may have been part of the problem, is we had a huge gap. This thing had a lot of room to head down, but it did come up here. We had some fairly decent profits up here yesterday, but then it pulled back, closed a little against us, and slammed down we went today. That took us out for $3,000. And then this was a good trade we had. We had a couple good ones. I mean, no question about it. This is Degas. This is reverse natural gas. And we bought this yesterday. I did this big push up. It was pretty level all day, but it gapped up nicely for us. We took $3,000 out of Degas, so that was very nice. And then this is just about the best thing we got getting in today. This is Juno Therapeutics. We bought this about the second, third hour, and it did keep going. It closed fairly respectably, and we got $1,000 out of that. So, we had a few good things, but I didn't like the feel of the markets today. I'm sorry, just didn't like them at all. So that's the way it went on Friday. This is Trader Bob signing off. You guys have a great weekend. I'll be back here online on Monday.